Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're using the FarmSteady Fermented Hot Sauce Kit to make a brand new recipe for a fermented honeydew hot sauce. For this recipe, we're using a mix of green peppers. We have poblanos, jalapeños, serrano peppers, and even one underripe habanero for a little bit of heat. Using a variety of peppers gives you a layering of flavor and heat levels that we really love. And it gives you a lot of latitude in deciding what heat you really want. So if you're looking for something milder, go heavier on the poblano and jalapeno peppers and lighter on the serranos. And if you want something hotter, do the exact opposite. And if you like green hot sauces as much as we do, you'll definitely want to check out the videos for our fermented jalapeno hot sauce, smoked poblano hot sauce, and even a kiwi hot sauce. But today, let's get started with this honeydew. For this recipe, you'll need half of the ripe, but not too ripe, honeydew melon, cubed, 1 large onion, roughly chopped, and a mix of green peppers. We're using jalapeños, serranos, a cute little poblano, and even one underripe habanero for some extra heat. For your brine, you're going to want 1 quart of water and 2.5 tablespoons of salt. And just whisk that to dissolve. Now let's prep these peppers. When making hot sauce, even using mild peppers, I often just remove the seeds for a better consistency. So we're going to chop the stems off, take out the seeds, and then roughly chop these peppers so they're ready for our fermenter. Perfect. Now we're gonna line up all our ingredients and start layering them in. Peppers, melon, onions, and repeat. And with all our hot sauces, we kind of like to keep the ingredients in the same color scheme. That makes for a more vibrant and less murky looking hot sauce, but certainly you can mix red and green peppers too. It just isn't quite as vibrant in the end. Once everything's in there, top with your glass fermentation weight and pour over your brine. Now top with your lid and airlock and ferment for 2 to 3 weeks. Once fermentation is complete, it's gonna kind of have this more army green color and it's ready to blend. Now we're going to transfer all those peppers, melon, and onion to the blender, along with a little bit of this brine. So let's get all those solids in. And then pour in 1 cup of the fermented brine. As well as 1 cup of white vinegar. Then blend until smooth, transfer into bottles, and get started on your next fermented hot sauce. Perfect. After blending and bottling, you'll want to store your hot sauce in the fridge. And we'll be coming out with tons of new videos, so definitely subscribe, hit that alert button, and check out farmsteady.com for all our kits and recipes.